Good morning folks, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we have two kind of news, the good one as well as the bad one, and a milder one. So starting with the good one first, our channel has crossed finally the 3000 subscriber mark, so thanks for all your love and support. And apart from that, what has happened is, like, I was doing a video on putting a battery on my scooter so that we could have a better illumination, and while I was returning back I had a pretty nasty accident, so that has resulted into damage of this route that we have for our scooter. Along with that, this top cover has undergone damage. As you can see, I have collected the bits, but I don't really think that assembling them over here and gluing them with super glue would be a great idea, because the fracture would already be there, and the propagation due to vibration of fracture may make that repair redundant. So probably we'll be changing this, or in case if we don't really get a new one, then we'll be molding the remaining section using a technique that I had developed. Apart from that, we had a minor damage over here. I would call it minor, cause still I was able to bring back the scooter from that place. And the thing is, like, the excessive weight which is there at the end of the lever has gone damaged, as you can see, and that is it. The crash guard which we had installed has taken the beating over here, and the mud guard is all okay, and there is hardly any other issue. We have got a tiny damage over here, so I'll be changing this indicator too. So that's the thing. So that would be all folks for the video. Stay tuned for more. The next thing that I'm going to do is obviously the repair of this one and installing a battery so that the illumination could be better. I didn't expect that to happen. Anyway, that's a part and parcel of motorcycle riding. Stay tuned for more. Till the next time, build it, ride it.